Thank you. Thank you. You right here. You watching this video right now. I am so grateful. I am so grateful for this view. Thank you so much. I'm here to say thank you, okay? Thank you so much. I don't want to, like, I really want to scream, but I can't scream. This is like not the best place to scream. But I really want to scream and just like be loud at the top of my voice right now and just say thank you. Thank you so much, but I can't scream. Thank you for the subs, for the likes, for the comments. Thank you so much, bad or good, whatever. And subscribe if you're not. So this video is a thank you video to all of you guys, all of you beautiful people, and just awesome human beings that decided, just beautiful and awesome human beings that decided to be part of my channel. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome back. Actually, there's no welcome back. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. Wow. I don't know how to act. Thank you so much. Like, I am so grateful. I honestly appreciate you guys. All of you that have decided to subscribe to my channel, that I decided to see more of my videos. I am so grateful, you guys. I'm so happy. I am so grateful. Okay, the sun went down. But okay, you guys, right now it is freaking hot, okay? It is freaking hot. It's probably around 80 degrees right now. It's freaking like summer just started and it's freaking hot that I can't. Like, I'm in my car with the AC on, I'm running my gas, I'm burning my gas, I don't care. I could not record in this car without turning the car on. Like, it was freaking burning. That's how hot it is. It is too hot. I'm trying this video. I want to get this video quickly so I can shut my car off and stop burning my gas because it's freaking hot, you guys. It's freaking hot. But yeah, the point of this video is I am so grateful I got to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, it took me so long. Let's not even talk about how long it took me. It took me so long, but I believe that it's gonna go faster and better now. Okay, it took me long to get to 1,000. I don't even. Oh my goodness, I am so out of words. Like, 1,000 people decided to subscribe to my channel. Oh my goodness, I am so honored. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm pretty sure for a lot of people it's nothing, but for me it is great. It is an achievement. 1,000 subscribers. What? No, I don't know. I'm so grateful. I honestly appreciate you guys that have decided to see more of my face. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like, thank you so much. I honestly do appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking your time to stop by on YouTube and click on my video. Thank you so much for deciding to click on the red button down there. Thank you for clicking on the bell. Thank you so much for watching my content. I honestly appreciate you guys. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. Like, it took me so long. I remember when I just started. Okay, so I remember when I first started YouTube, I had just 50 subscribers. 50. Okay, 50. I had just 50 subscribers. 1,000 was on my goal. No, it was not even in my mind at all. Like, 1,000 subscribers from where? Because you guys know how hard it is right now on YouTube to get views, to get subscribers. Like, it's harder now because there's so much people on here. There's a lot of videos. There's so many similar contents that it's a huge competition. So like, it's hard. It's really hard. And like, 1,000 of you guys decided to be part of my channel. I am so grateful. I don't know how to. Oh my god, you guys, when I saw it on the app, I was just wow. I broke down. 1,000 subscribers, it's a lot. I didn't think it was gonna come so fast. I am honestly grateful. I'm so grateful because I first had 50 subscribers. Like, it was literally my friends and family. Like, I had to go like text everybody, hey, subscribe to my channel. Hey, subscribe to my sisters, my brothers, everybody, cousins and family. I went to text everyone, hey, sub to my channel. My friends, it was people that know me, like when I first started. And then it was really slow. I would get 1 subscriber in like 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure for a month I would go without no subscriber. Like, it was mad slow, so discouraging. Like it was not it's gonna work. It was so discouraging. Like I would get 1 subscriber in a month if I'm lucky, and in a year I would get like 10 subscribers. Or it was horrible, you guys. It was bad. And so over the time, I guess I started to make better content, or I don't know what it was, but it started to grow. Okay, I started to get like 2 subscribers in 3 weeks. It started to make a little sense, even though it's but it just took me so much effort. You know, I would sit down and think, what's the right content to make? What is the right content that I'm good at? What is what people like to see more? What is the right type of videos that I'm good at? What is the right type of videos that people want to see more of me? You know, it took a lot, you guys, so much effort. And I would take my time to make videos and delete them over and over again, record it so many times over and over again. Like videos that had good views, I went out to delete them, to make it private. Like I've done so much because also so many times I got discouraged because, you know, like I said, there's a lot on here. There's so many people. There's better videos. There's better things you want to see. There's better people that you want to follow. So it's, yeah, a lot of times I would just like, let's just forget it. Like I would go away or go off and not make videos for like I would go away and not make videos for up to, I think I've gone as far as 6 months without making a video, right? I think so, but like, maybe not up to, but I would like, you know, get so discouraged and not make videos at all. And then all of a sudden I feel like, okay, I need to make a video, give it a try. But I got to the point when I decided to love what I'm doing, love the few views that I get, love the few subscribers that I have, and I started to have plans and just write out what I wanted to, regardless of the views, subscribers, just have plans and love what I'm doing and keep making videos. I guess that was part of what helped me to get more subscribers over time. And yeah, here I am, 1,000 subscribers. To me, it's a huge thing. To me, it's like a million. It's, yeah, it is like a million subscribers to me. I don't care. It's huge. But yeah, you guys, I am so grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, it took me time. It took me, you know, I watched a couple of videos and see what I'm missing. Like, what am I doing wrong? Why is the view so horrible? Why is the subscribers count so horrible? You know, what am I doing wrong? I went to watch a couple of videos and I learned, and I knew what, even though I'm still learning, you know, I still need to make better content. But so far, I seen what I was not doing, what I was missing out on. And I am just so grateful, you guys. I honestly appreciate all the time and effort to watch my videos. Thank you so much. And I'm just so grateful, but I want to keep making more and better videos, and I need you guys to help. I need you guys to please give me your suggestions of what you want to see, what you would like to see. And you can check my other videos to see the kind of things that I've been making, the kind of videos I make. And you can go ahead and give me suggestions of the kind of videos you want to see on my comment section below. I just really need a lot of ideas. Like, go ahead and let me write it down and below the comment section with your ideas and suggestions. I will definitely look into them because I don't have ideas right now. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and join my channel, join the group, click on the bell below if you're not subscribed. Why not? Come on, why not? So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I honestly appreciate every single person. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please join and give my video a like, a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.